You ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly rake in cash while others struggle just to make ends meet? It's not always about luck, inheritance, or even a high-paying job. It's about building a. Now, before you picture yourself swimming in a vault of gold coins like Scrooge McDuck, let me clarify. Building a millionaire empire is about creating multiple streams of income, investing strategically, and understanding the real value of money. It's about financial freedom, security, and achieving your wildest dreams. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 game-changing ideas that can help you on your journey to building your own millionaire empire. We'll shatter some common misconceptions about wealth, explore powerful strategies, and I'll even reveal the most impactful idea that completely changed my financial life. Let's be real for a second. When it comes to money, there's a lot of noise out there. Everyone seems to have an opinion, and it can be overwhelming to sift through what's true and what's just fluff. There's a ton of misinformation out there about getting rich, from flashy ads promising overnight success to so-called experts pushing dubious financial products. It's easy to get lost in the chaos. You know, those get-rich-quick schemes and secret formulas. Don't fall for it. These schemes prey on our desire for instant gratification, but the reality is, there's no shortcut to true financial success. One of the biggest misconceptions is that building wealth is only for the lucky few, the trust fund babies, or those who win the lottery. Wrong. This myth perpetuates the idea that wealth is unattainable for the average person, which simply isn't true. The truth is, building wealth is about hard work, smart decisions, and consistency. It's about setting realistic goals, making informed choices, and sticking to a plan even when it's tough. It's about playing the long game, not chasing short-term gains. Just like a marathon runner trains for months, even years, to build endurance, wealth building requires patience and persistence. Another myth? That you need a ton of money to start investing. This misconception stops many people from even trying, but it's far from the truth. Nope. With platforms like Robinhood and fractional shares, you can start investing with just a few bucks. These tools have democratized investing, making it accessible to almost everyone. And don't even get me started on the idea that you need to be a financial expert to manage your money. This myth can be paralyzing, but it's simply not true. There are countless resources available, from books to podcasts to YouTube channels like mine, that break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized pieces. You don't need a finance degree to understand how to manage your money effectively. Look, the biggest obstacle to building wealth isn't a lack of resources. It's a lack of the right mindset. It's about overcoming the mental barriers that hold us back and believing that financial success is within our reach. It's about believing in yourself, being willing to learn, and taking action. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay informed, and most importantly, stay committed to your goals. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. We're about to explore the 3 game-changing ideas that can help you build your millionaire empire. These aren't just theories, they're actionable steps that have been proven to work time and time again. Idea number 1, invest in yourself. This is the foundation of everything. When you invest in your own growth, you're setting the stage for future success. Invest in your education, learn new skills, and constantly strive to improve yourself. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or self-study, the key is to never stop learning. The more valuable you become, the more you can earn. Think of it as building your personal brand. The more skills and knowledge you acquire, the more opportunities will come your way. Think about it. If you were an employer, would you rather hire someone with outdated skills or someone who's constantly learning and evolving? Exactly. The world is changing rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Idea number 2, diversify your income streams. This is a critical strategy for building wealth and ensuring financial stability. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Relying on a single source of income is risky. If that source dries up, you're left vulnerable. Explore side hustles, start a small business, or invest in real estate. Each of these can provide additional income streams that can help buffer against financial setbacks. The more income streams you have, the more resilient your finances will be. This means that if one stream falters, you have others to fall back on. Imagine if you lost your job tomorrow. Would you be financially secure with just one source of income? Probably not. This is why diversification is so important. But if you had multiple streams, you'd be in a much better position. You'd have the peace of mind knowing that you're not solely dependent on one source. And finally, idea number 3, Master the art of investing. This is where your money really starts to work for you. Investing wisely can significantly grow your wealth over time. This is where your money really starts to work for you. By making smart investment choices, you can create a passive income stream that grows over time. Learn about different asset classes, understand risk tolerance, and start building a diversified portfolio. This means spreading your investments across various types of assets to minimize risk. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term growth and stability, not quick wins. Don't get caught up in market hype or try to time the market. These can lead to poor decisions and unnecessary stress. Focus on long-term growth and let compound interest work its magic. Over time, the returns on your investments can grow exponentially, leading to substantial wealth. So there you have it. The 3 pillars of building a millionaire empire: investing in yourself, diversifying your income streams, and mastering the art of investing. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Chapter 3. The Game Changer, My Secret Weapon to Financial Freedom. This chapter is all about the strategy that has had the most profound impact on my financial journey. It's the one thing that has consistently delivered results, and has the potential to change your life too. Now for the most impactful idea of all. This isn't just another tip or trick, it's a complete game changer. It's the strategy that has allowed me to build a sustainable and growing income stream. The one that completely transformed my financial life: real estate investing. Real estate isn't just about buying and selling properties, it's about creating a long-term investment that can provide financial security and freedom. I know, it sounds intimidating, right? The thought of dealing with properties, tenants, and market fluctuations can be overwhelming. But let me assure you, it's not as daunting as it seems. But trust me on this. With the right knowledge and approach, real estate investing can be incredibly rewarding. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and being patient. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth creation for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations. Land and property have always been valuable assets, and they continue to be so today. And it's still one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. In today's world, real estate offers a unique combination of stability and growth potential that few other investments can match. Here's why I love real estate: cash flow, appreciation, and tax advantages. These 3 elements work together to create a robust investment that can provide both immediate income and long-term growth. When you own rental properties, you're not just holding an asset, you're running a business. This business generates passive income month after month, providing a steady cash flow that can support your lifestyle or be reinvested for further growth. You're essentially building a business that generates passive income month after month. This passive income can free you from the constraints of a traditional job, giving you more time to pursue your passions and interests. Plus, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, meaning your investment grows in worth. This appreciation can significantly boost your net worth, providing a financial cushion for the future, meaning your net worth grows even more. As property values increase, so does your equity, allowing you to leverage your investments for even greater returns. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Real estate investors enjoy numerous deductions and write-offs that can significantly reduce their tax burden. There are numerous deductions and write-offs available to real estate investors that can save you a ton of money. These tax advantages can make a substantial difference in your overall profitability. Now, I'm not saying real estate is a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, ongoing education, and a willingness to put in the effort. But the potential rewards make it all worthwhile. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. You'll need to stay informed about market trends, property values, and investment strategies. But with persistence and the right mindset, success is within reach. But the rewards are well worth it. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your investments grow, the security of a steady income, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Real estate investing can provide all of this and more. So, there you have it, the 3 game-changing ideas that can help you build your millionaire empire: investing in yourself, diversifying your income streams, and mastering the art of investing, especially in real estate. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time and never giving up on your dreams. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.